soldiers, sailors, or airmen in the service of the government of India or the provisions of any special or local law। ठीक है। एक ये लाइट बंद करे ना मेरे पीछे वाली, या इसमें दिखा है बढ़िया ना दिखता फिर। Definitions in the Sanhita unless the context otherwise require। Act denote a well act denotes as well a series of acts as a single act। Animal means any living creature other than a human being। Child means any person below the age of 18 years। Counterfeit, a person is said to counterfeit who cause one thing to resemble another thing, intending by means of that resemblance to practice deception or knowing it to be likely that deception will thereby be practiced। हाँ ठीक है। Explanation 1, it is not essential to counterfeiting that the imitation should be exact। Explanation 2, when a person causes one thing to resemble another thing and the resemblance is such that a person might be deceived thereby, it shall be presumed until the contrary is proved that the person so causing the one thing to resemble the other thing intended by means of that resemblance to practice deception or knew it to be likely that deception would thereby be practiced। Court means a judge who is empowered by law to act judicially alone, or a body of judges which is empowered by law to act judicially as a body। When such a judge or body of judges is acting judicially, देख लो तू। Death means the death of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context। Dishonestly means doing anything with the intention of causing wrongful gain to one person or wrongful loss to another person। Document means any matter expressed or described upon any substance by means of letters, figures, or marks, or by more than one of those means, and includes electronic and digital record intended to be used or which he may be used as evidence of that matter। Explanation, it is immaterial by what means or upon what substance the letters, figures, or marks are formed, or whether the evidence is intended for or may be used in a court or not। Illustration, writing expressing the terms of a contract which may be used as evidence of the contract is a document। A check upon a banker is a document। तेरी पूछ आवा है कदे तू राजी हो रही हो। A power of attorney is a document। A map or plan which is intended to be used or which may be used as evidence is a document। A writing containing directions or instructions is a document। Explanation 2, Whatever is expressed by means of letters, figures, or marks as explained by mercantile or other usage shall be deemed to be expressed by such letters, figures, or marks within the meaning of this section, although the same may not be actually expressed. बाहर लेकर जाएंगे जो मैं पढ़ू हूँ कड़ा गया A writes his name on the back of a bill of exchange payable to his order. The meaning of the endorsement as explained by mercantile usage it that the bill is to be paid to the holder. The endorsement is a document and shall be construed in the same manner as if the words pay to the holder or words to the fact had been written over the signature. Frequently means doing anything with the intention to defraud but not otherwise. Gender. The pronoun he and its derivatives are used of any person, whether male, female, or transgender. Explanation. Transgender shall have the meaning assigned to it in clause K of section 2 of the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019 40 of 2019. Good faith. Nothing is said to be done or believed in good faith which is done or believed without due care and attention. Government means the central government or state government. Harbor includes supplying a person with the shelter, food, drink, money, clothes, arms, ammunition, or means of conveyance, or assisting a person by any means, whether of the same kind as those enumerated in the clause or not, to evade apprehension. Injury means any harm whatever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation, or property. Illegal and illegal bound to do. The word illegal is applicable to everything which is an offense or which is prohibited by law or which furnishes ground for a civil action, and a person is said to be legally bound to do whatever it is illegal in him to omit. Judge means a person who is officially designated as a judge and includes a person who is empowered by the law to give in any legal proceeding, civil or criminal, a definitive judgment or a judgment which, if not appealed against, would be definitive, or a judgment which, if confirmed by some other authority, would be definitive, or who is one of a body of persons, which body of persons is empowered by law to give such a judgment. Illustration. A magistrate exercising jurisdiction in respect of a charge of which he has power to sentence to fine or imprisonment with or without appeal is a judge. Life means the life of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context. 10 मिनट की होगी. Local laws means a law applicable only to a particular part of India. Man means male human being of any age. Month and year. Wherever the word month or the word year is used, it is to be understood that the month or the year is to be reckoned according to the Georgian calendar. Movable property includes property of every description except land and things attached to the earth or permanently fastened to anything which is attached to the earth. Number. Unless the contrary appears from the context, word importing the singular number include plural number, and word importing the plural number includes the singular number. Oath. Oath includes a solemn affirmation substituted by law for an oath, and any declaration required or authorized by law to be made before a public servant or to be used for the purpose of proof, whether in a court or not. Offense. Except in the chapters and sections mentioned in subclause A and B, the word offense means a thing made punishable by this Sanita but. तेरी होगी 12:40 होगी. बाय बाय टाटा सी यू फलाना दिगड़ा धमकाना. चलो 15 मिनट भी कर दिया. हाँ इसने तो in subsection 1 of section 189, section 211, 212, 238, 239, 249, 253 and subsection 1 of the section 329, the word offense. Bye.